everybody who down at Western Michigan University. Flint Navy, man, y'all know I'm representing anywhere I go. Please go look at that Flint Navy. Western Michigan University campus in Kalamazoo, spreading the word. Flint Navy, man, let's go do work. You know, we study doing it, man. We Flint to Kalamazoo. It's time to get busy.
This is Eric. Eric, this is a great class, Global Media Literacy. The first victims of a new class here at Western. Am I right about your graduation date?
Yes.
All right, 2010. So I think about half the class has seen the video in entirety. We were just skipping through it to get a little.
But I made a video basically to raise money for a scholarship. It all started because, you know, people do video blogs and stuff, and everybody would be very interested in my job, like seeing me. I got a chance to interview a lot of people, like when I was in school and stuff, so they always be like, how is it to meet this NBA player, or how is it to interview that person, or this and that. So I'm like, maybe I should do a video blog or something, just show people how it is to be a journalist, because a lot of people, I'm from Flint, so it's not really a popular job. People don't really know like that it's possible to be a journalist, so I just decided to do a video blog, but then that turned into something bigger. So I'm like, you know, maybe I should do a documentary, and my editor was down with letting us have a premiere for it, so I just went all out, and my good friend Jawan, that's his nickname, he shot me, he edited everything, so we just put it on as a big film, but the whole point of it was to raise money for a scholarship. So we sold the DVDs for $5. I was able to raise $500 on giving away scholarships in my high school. So that was the point of me doing it, and kind of just opening up to let people know what I was serious about. So that's why I did the documentary. But on the flip side, I talk about everything, and I talk about what it was like to grow up in Flint. High school, going to Flint Southwestern High School, I went there. That's the same school. If you guys are familiar with sports, the Heisman Trophy winner Mark Heyman went there. Charlie Bell went to Southwestern. There's been a lot of people that's come out. Terry Crews actually went to Southwestern. He went to Western too. So it's been a lot of celebrities and stuff that come out of Flint, you know, come from my high school. So I represented, you know, in there. And Flint Navy is something I started. You see the shirts, and it's a movement that I'm pretty much starting back home, you know, kind of like Detroit versus everybody, you know, and just taking it to the next level. Yeah, I feel like a kid in the candy store, always Western gear. Back off life, man, crazy. Kalamazoo, came back, man, taught the classes. I ain't go to the record day, though. I didn't get a chance to do that, but I had a minutes, introduce everybody in minutes, man, so put the 10 on, man. I'm back to the city, back to Flint Navy.